63-ton hydraulic press, man. Wow! And here we got some Duracell cells, man, with super power, man. So I'm gonna be crushing one of the cells here. Do some tests. It's gonna be testing the hydraulics here. So Jeff is gonna run the machine. 63 tons. Oh, that looks nice, man. Oh my god. God, that's nasty, man. Oh. A bit more, a bit more. Bit more, nah. Yeah. Wow, look nice, man. Oh, nasty, man. Oh, that's the coffee cup he was drinking in the morning. It looks pretty nice, man. Ooh, that's the cup. So I'm wearing gloves. Of course I'm wearing gloves, man. It's nice. We're gonna have to clean the machine again. Some behind the scenes here. Ooh. Hey, should we do 2 cells? Nah, do it 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. More power. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see if the machine can do it. Yeah. That's fine. And then we save these ones for the bigger machine. There's a much bigger machine. Cleaning the press. Alright. I gotta protect myself here. I'm wearing protective mask. Alright. Oh, kaboom! 3, 2, 1. Boom! Keep it back. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, triple power, man. That looks nice. Delicious chemical toxic stuff. What's this one here? A few minutes later, this thing is bubbling sitting here. Look. Can you see? Oh, it's reacting to something. I don't know if it's reacting between, you know, like the chemicals in the cell, if it's reacting with the iron here. Interesting. Look. Delicious. So is that your coffee for the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, 63 tons in your coffee. Oh, it looks like it's melting, man. Keep on going. Wow. Let's see what come up now, man. That's very nice. Oh. There's nothing left. That's nice, eh?
Yeah.
For you.
Thanks.
Thank you. So much power, man.